day everyone, my name is Jasmine Pay Ascalindim. The topic of my speech is achieving educational excellence. The pursuit of educational excellence goes beyond achieving high grades. It's about igniting a lifelong passion for learning, fostering critical thinking, and developing essential skills. Students are the architects of their own future, and the choice they make today will shape tomorrow's landscape. Embracing challenges, cultivating resilience, and nurturing a thirst for knowledge are crucial steps on this journey. By working together, students can create a positive feedback loop forward success, inspire further success. Their collective approach encourages everyone to strive for their best. A supporting and collaborating learning environment is a key to our achieving educational excellence. Engaging in thoughtful discussion and seeking help when needed. Teamwork and sharing knowledge when classmates can also help students learn from each other's strengths. Celebrating individual collective success can motivate students to reach their full potential. By recognizing and achievements of these around them, students can foster a sense of community and shared purpose. Ultimately, the purpose of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. Students should stay curious, explore their passion, and connect their learning to the real world. Developing a growth mindset is essential as it allows students to believe that their abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Educational excellence is a continuous process, self-improvement, and discovery leading to building an impactful life. By committing to this journey together, students can inspire each other every step of the way.